Hello, welcome to my tutorial. This is Masotelo, and today we're teaching you how to do a couple of registry hacks. I'll begin by showing you how to do the add that open with Notepad when you right click, so it shows up when you right click on a file. Let me show you quick by creating just a quick Notepad file. Just doesn't matter how big it is, just as long as it has a couple of space in it. Save as, doesn't matter. Just call it a name and save. So here we go. As you can see right now, when you open it, doesn't have anything around it. So let's begin by opening your registry editor. You can either do it by going to run and typing regedit.exe, or you can always go to your start and search for it. But I already have it right here, so yeah. Click yes. Okay. First of all, what you're gonna do is go to the first folder, to this little start. Go to shell. You're gonna right click, add new key, and we're gonna call it open with Notepad. Click away, and there we go. Now we're gonna right click on that one and add a new key, and that one we're gonna call it command. Okay, now look on this folder, we're gonna click on default, and right here where it says value data, you're gonna type notepad.exe space %1. So let me show you. Okay, now just click OK, and the effects should come out immediately. You should see the effects immediately. Let me show you. Here you go. As you can see, now when you click that, it automatically opens it with Notepad. Now there is another way to do this, another easier way, which is using preset registry. So you can install it, which is right here. This will save you all the trouble of doing this. Of course, it is also it's also good for you to know how to do this. This is the installer, and this is how to remove it. They work simple. Just you can double click it and to install it, double click it to uninstall it. Simple. Okay, now let me show you the second one. The second one is pretty simple as well. It's called take ownership. It's a pretty cool registry that allows you to take control of your computer files. For example, if you're trying to change files in your Windows, it will prompt a question whether you want to change it or not, whether you have access or not. But with this little registry, you can take ownership, and they basically belong to that specific account. Let me show you. You double click on to install. Just click yes. Click yes. And okay, now let's take a look at the fonts that I have installed on my computer. You just right click on the folder. Oh, see. Well, let me give you a better example. For example, you may sometimes want to change some program files for your benefit, and you can do this by just right clicking on a folder and taking ownership. Of course, depending on how big the folder is, you may wanna think about it, uh, what the time it takes. Example, let me show you on this one, which is smaller. Just click yes, and it will begin doing it. As you can see, now I have access to everything in here, and I can change it as I feel, and I don't need to ask any permission to the system itself. Well, that's both registry hacks. I will upload them and give you a link to it. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching and subscribe.